So, in case you didn't know, that is a Lightning Jet from the early 60s, and this is the Lightning Association's open day at RAF Binbrook. So RAF Binbrook was my first posting in the RAF back in 1983, and that's one of the jets that one no doubt he would have worked on in what was called aircraft servicing flight over there somewhere. Unfortunately, they've got an awful day weather for it, and this is in the process of restoration. Its engines have run, but not today. I don't know whether they're going to do that today, but they have had the engines running. Look at that, and the last time it flew was 1992 when it flew here.